We're here to get rid of the knob and tube. See, I'm just going to keep working, okay?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're kicking off a brand new series today, diving deep into a crucial home renovation, replacing old, outdated knob and tube wiring. But before we get to the sparks and the new wires, there's a vital first step, one that often gets overlooked but makes all the difference: site preparation. When we're working in your home, especially on a big project like this, protecting your property is our absolute top priority. We treat your home like our own, and that starts from the ground up, literally. What you're seeing us install here is called Ram Board. It's an incredibly durable, heavy-duty floor protection product, and it is essential for a job of this magnitude. Think of this as a thick temporary shield for your beautiful floors. Whether you have delicate hardwoods, plush carpets, or intricate tiles, this stuff is designed to take a beating so your surfaces don't have to. We're talking about preventing scratches, dings, paint spills, and all those accidents that can happen when tools, materials, and multiple crew members are moving through your space. It's a small step that makes a huge impact on an overall cleanliness and care of our work. So as we gear up to tackle this knob and tube replacement, we know that every detail, from the biggest electrical challenge to the smallest floor protection, is handled with precision and care by the electrical company LLC. Because a successful job isn't just about what's inside the walls, it's about respecting and preserving your entire home. Knob and tube wiring is described in the National Electrical Code in Article 394. Defined as concealed knob and tube wiring, a wiring method using knobs, tubes, and flexible non-metallic tubing for the protection and support of single insulated conductors. Now, this is a wiring method that was primarily used before the 1950s, but really in the 1920s and 1930s. This was developed in the early days of even most residents getting electrical at all. So compared to today's electrical infrastructure, it lacks a lot of different things. Number one being there's no ground. Knob and tube lacks a ground wire. That means no essential safety path for fault currents, leaving you and your expensive electronics vulnerable to shocks and damages. 2. It can't breathe. This wiring was designed to be run through open air, but once insulation gets packed around it, which happens in nearly every modern home, the heat can't escape. This becomes a massive fire risk. We've actually done work for local utility companies going in after they've had a insulation company go in to modernize a home with spray-in foam style insulation due to this code violation. 3. Capacity issues. Our modern homes demand power from microwaves, computers, and AC units. Knob and tube simply wasn't built for today's loads. It leads to constant trip breakers and overheating. 4. Insurance headaches. Most insurance companies either refuse to cover homes with active knob and tube or charge astronomical premiums. Don't wait for an accident. A full rewiring is an investment in your safety and your home's value. Call a licensed professional at The Electrical Company LLC today and get your hazard removed. And that wraps up the prep work for our major knob and tube replacement project. We've got access holes to cut, the material staged, and the plan locked down. But the real work, the most satisfying work, is just about to start. Next time, in episode 2, we're diving into the walls. You'll see the messy, risky reality of this 100-year-old wiring as we perform the full demolition and begin pulling the modern safe cabling. Don't miss the demo. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know exactly when episode 2 drops. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the walls.